Hi everyone, my name is Alex.
And I'm Emma. Welcome back to our English Learning Channel.
Today, we're going to have a fun everyday conversation.
These simple and natural conversations will help you improve your English speaking and listening skills.
So relax, listen carefully, and practice with us.
Let's get started.
How's your day going so far?
It's going pretty well. I've been busy but productive.
What have you been working on lately?
I've been focusing on improving my English and learning new skills.
Did anything exciting happen today?
Yes, I got some good news this morning.
What do you usually do in your free time?
I usually watch videos, read books, or go for walks.
Have you watched any good movies recently?
Yes, I watched an action movie last weekend and really enjoyed it.
What kind of podcasts or videos do you enjoy watching?
I enjoy watching educational videos and funny podcasts.
If you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
I'd love to visit Japan someday.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I enjoy relaxing and spending time with family.
Do you prefer coffee or tea in the morning?
I definitely prefer coffee.
What's the best meal you've ever had?
Probably homemade pizza with friends.
Have you ever tried learning another language?
Yes, and it's both challenging and fun.
What motivates you to work hard?
My goals and dreams motivate me a lot.
How do you usually relax after a busy day?
I like going for a walk.
What's something new you learned this week?
I learned some useful English expressions.
Do you enjoy meeting new people?
Yes, especially when they are friendly and interesting.
What's your dream job?
I'd love a job where I can be creative and help others.
Have you ever had an embarrassing moment in public?
Yes, I once forgot someone's name right after meeting them.
What's your favorite season of the year?
I really enjoy spring because the weather is beautiful.
Do you like waking up early or staying up late?
I prefer staying up late.
What's the funniest thing that happened to you recently?
My friend accidentally sent a voice message to the wrong person.
How often do you exercise?
I try to exercise at least 3 times a week.
What app do you use the most on your phone?
Probably YouTube or WhatsApp.
Have you ever forgotten someone's name right after meeting them?
Yes, and it felt really awkward.
What's your favorite way to spend time with friends?
I enjoy eating out and having good conversations.
Do you enjoy cooking, or do you prefer eating out?
I enjoy cooking when I have enough time.
What's one skill you'd love to improve?
I'd really like to improve my public speaking skills.
Have you ever been surprised by good news?
Yes, it always makes my day better.
What's your favorite place to relax?
I enjoy relaxing at parks or quiet cafes.
How do you usually start your mornings?
I usually drink coffee and check my phone.
What kind of videos do you watch on YouTube?
I watch educational videos and funny clips.
If you had one superpower, what would it be?
I'd choose the ability to fly.
What's the most useful thing you own?
My phone is probably the most useful thing I own.
Do you enjoy shopping online or in stores?
I prefer online shopping because it's convenient.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Playing outside with friends after school.
How do you stay productive during the day?
I make a to-do list and focus on one task at a time.
What's something you can't live without?
I can't imagine life without my family and friends.
Have you ever met someone who really inspired you?
Yes, I once met a teacher who completely changed the way I think about learning.
What's your favorite thing about your hometown?
I love the food and the friendly people.
Do you prefer texting or talking on the phone?
I usually prefer texting.
What's your favorite holiday or celebration?
I really enjoy New Year celebrations.
Have you ever learned something from a mistake?
Yes, mistakes often teach valuable lessons.
What's one thing you want to accomplish this year?
I want to improve my English fluency.
Do you enjoy rainy days or sunny days more?
I prefer sunny days because they make me feel energetic.
What's your favorite way to learn new things?
I enjoy learning through videos and practice.
If you could instantly master one skill, what would it be?
I'd love to master speaking multiple languages.
What usually makes you laugh the most?
Funny conversations with friends always make me laugh.
Have you ever tried something completely outside your comfort zone?
Yes, and it helped me become more confident.
What's your favorite part of the day?
I enjoy evenings because they feel peaceful.
Do you think social media helps or distracts people?
I think it can do both depending on how people use it.
What advice would you give to your younger self?
I'd say, don't be afraid to try new things.
Thanks for practicing English with us today.
We hope this conversation helped you learn new words and improve your speaking skills.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing every day.
See you in the next English conversation video. Bye, everyone!